I don't like the Othello. I don't like the thing that he said that he just wanted to possess Desdemona. She just wanted to, that is not to love her and be a wife, but she wants to possess her like a thing.
What does that mean?
Like he's jealous.
Mm-hmm.
He likes to
So-
own it like a jewelry like that.
What should you do instead?
You should love her, not do like.
So who is Othello?
Othello is a Moor. He was sold. So he was brought to Venice, and he became a chief of the army. And instead of Iago, he chose Michael Cassio.
Okay, so that is one thing that you don't like about him. So is there something that you like about him?
Tapos, ang ginawa niya, kinusin si Michael Cassio kasi nga sweet words yung sinasabi niya. Kaya, na-encourage niya si Desdemona i-love si ganun.
Is there something about him that you like?
Who?
About Othello?
Di pa niya tinatapos.
Okay. How about Hamlet?
Funny yun. Kasi dapat papatayin si tapos ang ibang napatay. Tapos
there a
nagkabalik
person?
na ng swords.
Uh-huh.
Hindi ko kasi masyado nakakaya.
Okay, it's okay.
Sobrang,
Alright.
siya, para siyang, tawag dun, parang exchanging. Kasi dapat, imbis na nagkapalitan sila, sino nga ba yun, nung naglaban sila ng tawag dun, yung ganun. Tapos, nagkabaliktaran sila ng swords. Tapos, ano ba yun?
It's a funny story for you.
Yeah.
The end.
Kung